print and electronic. I am grateful to you first for finding time in this busy schedule to meet us in this very place of Mumbai, and possibly try to understand what has been just now said by Mr. Milind Mhatre. Pathan is yet to speak, but Sanjay Upadhyay gave you a brief glimpse of what is the purpose behind. Friends, you might be aware that we have been doing a very unique work of Alandi Dehu, transforming the pilgrim centers of India and the world into knowledge centers of India and the world. This very program of environmental improvement and pollution control was started in the year 1987. 87 से आज तक शायद 40 साल 45 जो भी काम हुआ उसके पीछे मैंने अभी जो एक बयान किया, तीर्थ क्षेत्र से ज्ञान तीर्थ क्षेत्र तक, ऐसे शब्द यूजुअली यूज नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन मैं आपको बड़ी नाज से कहूँगा कि अवर इंस्टीट्यूशन MIT or the World Peace University today, MIT ADT University, and the institutions aligned to this very mission, wherein we have said two sentences I will tell you: trying to promote the culture of peace and develop a holistic peace-loving society has been the mission. You know that we have been in engineering, medical, management, pharmacy, so many institutions in the modern education field. But today I can only very briefly make a statement before you. I know that you are going to be very busy, and I would love you to ask me some questions so that we can have a dialogue between us. What Sanjay said, Mr. Mukesh Sharma, whom you might be knowing him very well, बॉम्बे दूरदर्शन के पहले अधिकारी थे, लेकिन चर्चा होने से ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा आपके मन में कि भाई क्या बात है ये कि विश्वनाथ कराड इस उम्र में ऑक्सफोर्ड इंग्लैंड में जाके ऑक्सफोर्ड के कैंपस में जाके एक परिषद बनाते हैं, वैल्यू बेस्ड यूनिवर्सल एजुकेशन सिस्टम, ये नई संकल्पना जो आपने अभी देखा होगा, वो बॉडी ब्रेन, ये हर एक चीज़ को, एवरी लिविंग सेल हैज़ अ बॉडी एंड द ब्रेन, and here is the soul or the spirit and the mind. This concept is possibly put up before the world, maybe for the first time. That's my firm statement. Only one of the very great scholars and thinkers who have been along with us, I try to discuss with them, like Dr. Vijay Bhatkar too. The question is, it has to be in the most modern high-tech area of the Google, the Facebook, the IT, computer. You use the words, and when you speak at the international platform, you have to prove yourself that you are worthy of what you are discussing about. Speaking in my own village where from I have come, गाय भैंस के तबेले में स्कूल होता था, गोबर निकालने का, झाड़ू मारने का, फटे हुए गन्ने की बोरी डाल के उस पर बैठ के स्कूल शुरू होता था। गाय भैंस चरने जाती है खेती में और शाम को आती है वापस, उनके गले की बेल ही स्कूल की बेल होती थी। ऐसे देहात से आके ये बात करने का अधिकार कैसे प्राप्त होता है? तो वी हैव अ वेरी टिपिकल वैष्णव बैकग्राउंड, and I have been fortunate enough that from the very farmers family, with the blessings of my elder sister, Priyaga Kakarad, about whom I have been making a mention because she has been one person who has been responsible for making our career and life of the whole family. The question is, there is a very wonderful, fundamental, the question that why and what for this mission. For your information, I never wanted to be an engineer. I became an engineer, started MIT, and talking about MIT World Peace University. इंजीनियर बने, MIT खोली, और अभी तो बात करते पीस की। ये क्या दिशा है भाई? ये कैसे होता है? इसे डिवाइन डेस्टिनेशन ऐसा बोला जाता है, डिवाइन मैसेज बोला जाता है। This very photo which I have kept here You can see there is. I'll possibly, every one of you, I don't know whether I have the copies like here, but I'll see that it reaches every one of you. In this it is written, philosopher Saint Sri Dhaneshwara, who says, may the darkness of the ignorance disappear and may this world see the light of knowledge divine. On the other side, it is written on this photo, philosopher scientist. Never it was said philosopher scientist. Philosopher scientist Dr. Albert Einstein, who says, I believe in God, who reveals himself in the orderly harmony of the universe, and I believe that the intelligence and consciousness is manifested throughout Mother Nature. I appeal to you, friends, you might be having different branches, but read these two sentences. Forget about the rest of the part, and the very small brief film you have been shown, which is possibly the biggest dome is not more important. The highest diameter, the monumental creation, miracle of the world, wonder of the world, all these words have been used, but the best part is, in my opinion, as a teacher, as a believer, it is now being recognized world over. It's a spiritually oriented scientific laboratory. This word has been the cause for which possibly I was invited to America. And the conferring of a PhD, in my opinion, it is important, but I am not thinking that that was the most important event. More than the conferring of the PhD, the 23 or 25,000 sitting people here up there in the hall and conveying this message to more than about 20 million people. And wherein the discussion of the very great philosopher Saint of India, Sant Dhaneshwar or Sant Tukaram, or so many other people I can make a mention, this was discussed. And in appreciation of the new world order, wherein the chaos, confusion, bloodshed, massacre, terrorism going on world over, and especially on the background of the coronavirus before 2.5 years' time, when it came out from one laboratory, whatever way you say China or any other place, but you must know that it had come only with 20% strength. And you know that everyone, including myself, including all the prime ministers, presidents, the United Nations, all the members, Security Council members, the WHO, the World Health Organization members, everybody, including you and me, were sitting behind the doors for 2 years because of the fear of the death. How it was caused, the biological weapons, chemical weapons, I'm not trying to advise you, preach you, friends. Remember, I'm trying to understand our mindset, each other. You are learned people, you are very wise people, you have the most effective communication skill. That's why I'm trying to put a different subject altogether. It's generally, yesterday also was this discussed in America. They said, I met some gentleman in that, on the way, in some temple we had gone. He said, this is a very different discussion which the world needs today. May not be that our own people, ignorant people, they need it. But when I said transforming the pilgrim centers of India and the world into knowledge centers of India and the world, this is the mission. And this can only go from India, and for which this Swami Vivekananda speech on 11th September 1893, 130 years back. Like the same, the veil, the hall, you must know the story. I'll try to possibly pass on. Kadve, oh Maharaj, Kaikade, sorry. The Vivekanandachi pustaka ashlita dya sarvana. I request you, I appeal to you, please read the story behind. There are 8 volumes, and you must make a story yourself for Mother India. अपना जो भारत है, इंडिया है, जो भी है, इस भारत देश की एक नई दिशा है, उसका एक नॉलेज बेस्ड सोसाइटी का सुंदर चिंतन है. And how so beautifully the Vivekananda at that time had used those words. The first word was, as I repeat again, union of science and religion oblique spirituality alone will bring harmony and peace to mankind. The second sentence is more important. Again, he says, friends, remember, religion is nothing but to perform your duty. Duty toward the mother, the father, the family, the society, the nation, the whole world. These are the words of wisdom spoken 130 years back. And the third sentence is, that time we were under the clutches of the British. You know it very well. And that time Vivekananda tells the whole world and tells the Indian people that, friends, remember, it is much, much better to run after football on the ground than to read Gita or a Bible or a Quran in the temple or a mosque. Kitna sundar hai dekho. And these words are going to be applicable today. And if the direction is not shown appropriately by all the universities, like the Oxford, Cambridge, MIT, Boston, Japanese, Chinese, forgetting the differences, you know it very well, you have much more information than me, but I am trying to do our own attempt. I know that I know my limitation. I know that I cannot change the whole world. I cannot change the society, not in the family. But Vivekananda had spoken one more word that time. He said, in this century, my mother India will emerge as a knowledge for the whole world. It is his sentence. I am just repeating it. And this was the discussion which took place in all the American universities and in Chicago too, for which I had gone to discuss, because it must be a test. The very learned, scholarly people, great intellectual people from the press and the media. In London we had a discussion. Because unless you prove that you are worthy very scientifically, logically and philosophically, the people do not accept you. You may accept because I am your close friend or I am from India. But this was the real reason for which this World Peace small delegation on the presence in, you know what is going on in Russia, Ukraine and so many other things. And on this background we are trying to make some contribution. And for which we said that we need to, maybe how many years it will take? Maybe 10, 20, 30 or 100 years. But the beginning has to be made, and the education has to be given some little different orientation, which I have shown it to you again as a value-based universal education system. All the universities of today, including our own 5 universities, or the Oxford or Cambridge and every university, we have never thought of the spirit of the soul and the mind. But the mechanism is same. Remember, the smallest of the small cell, the living cell, is life. And for the life and the whole human race, forgetting all the differences of religions, castes and creeds. Finally, when you think at the global level, which has been said, the world as one family or the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, these are the words of wisdom. They are not just for fun. And this thought can be properly put up, and that was the discussion which took place in Oxford, England, Fullerton Hall, or Salt Lake City, when I was conferred with PhD degree and everything. But that, I take it sincerely, honestly, I have a pleasure. But it fills my heart with a sense of pride and pleasure, friends, that we could convey the very message of what Mother India stands for. And the world is accepting very willingly. They are waiting for, let me tell you honestly, meeting of the East and the West is one sentence which normally is. And I'll tell you a small story. About 30 years back, I had gone to Oxford for when MIT was started. And that time, I went to Imperial College initially. And I was to discuss with the Vice Chancellor or the Dean. And I said, what a great country. The Great Britain, which ruled half the world, आर्ध्या जगह और राज्य के संभाला थे, दुनिया पे राज किया. कितने लोग थे? 2-3 कोटि भी नहीं थे. कैसे जिया भाई? The sun was not set on their kingdom. So I just praised them and I said to the Dean and the Vice Chancellor that time, 30 years back, कि भाई तुम्हारा देश इतना बड़ा है, the Great Britain. He said, Professor, correct yourself. I could not understand what he means. He said it was not Great Britain which ruled the world, It was the Oxford and Cambridge which ruled the world. And what they said again, they told me, remember, in Oxford and Cambridge, what do we teach them? The courage, conviction, determination, and the commitment. And साहस जो है, तो यहाँ हम सिखाते हैं, you are born to rule the world. What is the teaching? Along with all other subjects, तुमचा जन्म जगावर राज्य करण्याकरता आहे, ही आमची शिकवण. This is our teaching. And hence my Oxford and Cambridge which ruled the world. आणि मला आश्चर्य वाटलं की काय भाषा आहे, आम्ही काय शिकवतो, आता आम्ही सर्व शिक्षक समजे बसलेले. And then I have my own conviction. And from that time I was thinking, आता 150 वर्षापूर्वी का 50 वर्षापूर्वी ब्रिटिशांच्या आमचा चांगला गुण, आपल्याकडं इंडियन टाइम म्हणलं की वेळेवर न येणं. That is Indian time. You will not believe in the during the last 10-12 days, not a single minute. 9:30 याचा अर्थ 9:30च फक्त. कार्यक्रम सुरू व्हायचा म्हणजे अगोदर हलणं नाहीच, फोन घेणं नाही, बाता नाही, गप्पा नाही, विस्परित काय चाललंय तुझं. मला लाज वाटली स्वतःची की मी आता सकाळी डिस्कस करत होतो आमच्या पात्रे सरांशी वगैरे की आपण कोणी कमी पडलो. आणि पण तरी सुद्धा या परिषदेमध्ये गेल्या 7-10 दिवसाच्या ऑक्सफर्ड पासून सुरुवात झाल्यानंतर की हा जो प्रकार आहे तर त्यांचे चांगले गुण आणि आताचे चांगले गुण म्हणून ऑक्सफर्ड पुणे डिक्लेरेशन पास केलं आम्ही. ते मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये सर्व सादर झालं. आणि मला आनंद असा आहे की बाबा त्यांच्यातले अत्यंत उत्तम गुण, आता जुनं रडतपणा बसण्यापेक्षा एकमेकांचे, म्हणून ईस्ट आणि वेस्टचं येणं हे भविष्यवाणी विवेकानंदाची पुन्हा ते वाचल्यानंतर कळू शकतात. ते मांडण्याचा आम्हाला संधी मिळाली. मित्र तुम्हाला सांगतो, तेव्हा डिलीट हा एक विषय जरी असला तरी त्याच्यावर हे बाकीचं जे मिशन आहे आणि सध्याची अवस्था मी सांगतो, मी अगदी जरा कॉमेंट करतो, मी काही अधिकारी नाही, मी काही कुठल्याही पदावर असायचं काही कारण नाही, पण आमचं एक नैतिक म्हणजे जगाच्या समोर मांडत असताना युनायटेड नेशन्स खरं म्हणजे असं म्हणताना ही बातमी करणं मला माहीत नाही, पण हे वीक पडत आहे. WHO फक्त पाहण्याचं काम आणि जगामध्ये किती चाललंय, भयानक अवस्था आहे सर्व, आणि कोणत्या दिशेने चाललंय. तर म्हणून आमच्या दातेने लिहिलं जे आहे की 21 शतकाचा शेवट आपल्याला बघायला मिळेल की नाही अशी अवस्था येऊन राहिली. मग कुणाचं कर्तव्य आहे? तर वर्ल्ड ॲज अ वन फॅमिली असा शब्द वापरला आपण आणि जग वापरतं. आणि कालच्या कॉन्फरन्सिंगमध्ये जाहीरपणे सर्वांनी सांगितले, वी ऑनर प्रोफेसर विश्वनाथ कराड अँड वी फुल्ली अप्रिशिएट, आणि ही वन ऑफ द इंटरनॅशनल लीडर. मी काही लीडर नव्हे, पण वेगळ्या अर्थाने शिक्षणाच्या क्षेत्रामध्ये एक आंतरराष्ट्रीय कीर्तीचं एक वेगळं व्यक्तिमत्व आहे, ईश्वरीय संकेत आहे. आता माझ्या तोंडाने मी सांगत नाही, हे त्यांचे शब्द सांगतोय, कारण का ते वाट पाहतात की भारतातून कोणीतरी येईल असं विवेकानंदाचे भविष्य होतं, भविष्यवाणी त्याची प्रचिती काल होती. आणि माझं असं विनंती आहे की युनायटेड नेशन्स असो, युनो असो किंवा WHO असो, आणि आपण सर्व व्हाईस चान्सलर्स, कुलगुरू यांनी याच्यावर थोडा बदल करण्याची गरज आहे. आणि ते बदल केलं तर त्यालाच मग हे विज्ञान आणि अध्यात्माच्या समन्वयातून हा अंधश्रद्धेचा विषय नाही हे पहिलं आपण लक्षात ठेवू. याच्यामध्ये एकही शब्द, आता संजय उपाध्यायांनी तुम्हाला बोलले सांगतो, लक्षात ठेवा, 745 years back, a boy of 16 years old देतो बरं जरा सूचना देत आहे तुमच्या वतीनं. रिमेंबर दिस की ॲट द एज ऑफ 16 what has been written, they are nothing but very scientific and principles and laws. तेव्हा पसायदान माऊलीचं आणि आईन्स्टाईन आपला बुद्धाचं काय पंचशील आणि पसायदान जेव्हा एका लेवलवर येईल तेव्हा जगामध्ये शांतता नांदेल विवेकानंदाच्या मार्गदर्शनाने. मला असं सांगण्यात आलं, मी मास्तर असल्यामुळं बोलत राहायची सवय आहे, तर तुम्ही माझं मन समजून घेतलं असावं असं मी समजतो. मनाची केमिस्ट्री जरी कळली नाही तरी आत्म्याचं स्वरूप कळा. मन थोडं चंचल आहे, आत्मा स्थिर आहे, आत्मा अविनाशी आहे. तेव्हा मन की बात म्हणण्यापेक्षा दिल की बात करणं जास्त चांगलं होईल असं मला वाटतं. तेव्हा आपण मोकळं बोलूया. इट्स ओपन फॉर डिस्कशन. आपल्याला जर काही प्रश्न असतील तर विचारा. पण मला आंतरिक समाधान असं आहे की मी विवेकानंदांचे स्वप्न साकार होण्याच्या दिशेने भारतीय संस्कृती, परंपरा आणि तत्वज्ञानाचं खरं स्वरूप मी जगाच्या समोर मांडू शकलो या दौऱ्यामध्ये. आणि वर्ल्ड पीस डेलिगेशनचं जे मिशन होतं छोट्या प्रमाणामध्ये, त्याला बऱ्यापैकी आशीर्वाद जगाने अप्रिशिएट केलं आणि भारताच्या या परंपरेचं सर्वांचं कौतुकही झालं. धन्यवाद.